My name is Dr. J. That's D-O-C-T-A-J-A-Y. Not Dr. J like a basketball player. It's Dr. J. Make sure you spell that right. I take that to offense. But anyways, I'm a upcoming rapper from West Texas. I know it's not a big deal, but shit, we're putting out work here in West Texas. I like to try my best and just trying to have fun and turn up.
Where do you get your influences from?
I'd say my influences probably mostly come from like old school music, a little bit of new school stuff, and I get a big influence from some of my peers. Mostly one of my buddies, my producer, Crazy Beats, and one of my good buddies who's a rapper in Austin, Texas, Matty D. Shout out to him. And that's pretty much where I get most of my main influences from.
Okay, and what can we see from you like in the next year as far as like your music, future shows, any albums coming out?
Actually, I got a new mixtape in the works. It's coming out pretty soon, sometime this summer. Free refills, because everybody likes free refills, you know what I mean? Whether you get some fucking free refills for prescriptions, hey cool, I got some Xannies about to forget the whole day. I'm just kidding. You know, everybody just likes free refills. There's free refills for drinks, whatever. Dr. J free refills, new mixtape coming out. Other than that, I got another mixtape, a collaborative mixtape with one of my groups, KB&T. We got a new mixtape coming out. You know, it's pretty nice. And as far as shows, I got some shows, of course, booked here throughout West Texas, some in Lubbock. I got some in the works for Austin, San Antonio, Dallas. Just a lot of things in the works, and just trying to put my name out there.
If somebody wants to contact you or follow you for shows or future events, how can they contact you?
The best way to get at me is probably either on social media. Follow me at Twitter at DrJTX. That's D-O-C-T-A-J-A-Y-T-X. Or you can check out my Facebook, or like my Facebook page, Dr. J. If you want to check out my music, the best place to go is SoundCloud.com, Dr. J. So that's the best place to get me at my music. And if you feel a little different, you can email me at drj432@gmail.com. And other than that, I mean, unless you're a pretty girl and you got my number, you can get to me like that, or you're a homie and you can call me, you know, just get at me.
Alright, any last words about the art show you want to say?
I'm actually excited. This is my second time. The first time I was basically the only rapper there, so I was pretty excited. This second time, I feel like it's going to be a better go-around for me, and I hope to bring the same amount of energy I brought last time. The art show was a great show. I'm actually really excited to do it. And last but not least, shout out to my cliques, KB&T and Zoo Click. Fuck what you heard, we're the best in West Texas. We may not get as many plays and listens as everybody else, but I definitely get more shows and more money than most of them. So, holla at me.